In this video, I will be showing you how to remove background in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and select the Photos category to browse through the available images. I'm going to scroll down through the library for a moment to find the right photo for this project. There are plenty of options, but I'll go with this vase of dried flowers and click it to add it to my canvas. With the image selected, I just click on the BG Remover button in the top toolbar. It takes just a second to process, and now the background is completely gone. I'll resize this image to make some room and move it toward the top. Now let's try it again with a few more examples. I'll scroll further down the list to find another interesting subject. These dried orange slices look perfect, so I'll click to add them to the page. Once again, I click the BG Remover button at the top and wait for the tool to work its magic. Now that the background is removed, I'll move the oranges down here. Finally, I'll select this photo of a sliced pumpkin. I'll hit the BG Remover button one last time to clean up the edges and remove the background instantly. Now I have 3 perfectly cut out elements to use in my design. Removing backgrounds in Canva is that simple. Thanks for watching.